Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to NinjaTrader Live. My name is Jim Cagnina. I am senior market strategist, and I have an echo. So hang on a second. I'm going to turn that echo off. I just did it. Thank you, everybody, for being here. It was a historic day. We got the four-way battle going on right now. We're a little bit over halfway, but we're still going into the close. We're going to have these guys trade the close. It's going to be super awesome. And we have a giant comeback, by the way, and we'll talk about this giant comeback after a quick edge report. So let's take a look at some charts real quick. Let's start. Let's just see what these guys are up against for the rest of the day. Not just these guys, but everybody who's participating in the challenge. This is the micro Nasdaq. I have a 2-day look right now, just kind of looking at, points of control, shifting to different levels, lower level that is, looking at VWAP. And guess what? I mean, I'm not going to quit saying this. I'm going to say this every single time. 1-day min, Mentor Q, boom, touched it, and then rallied off it. 1-day min, Mentor Q, boom, touched it and rallied off it. It's the gift that keeps on giving. You guys got to check out these Mentor Q secret sauce levels because this is a good one. In any event, VWAP is kind of going sideways right now, right here, right now. And so it's kind of like, all right, we're going into the close. What's going to happen? We have that JAX1 number way down here. But remember, this isn't the 0 DTE. This is just the regular almighty JAX1 level. That's approximately 24,500. Put supports a little bit above it, framing the conversation right now where we're at right there. And then that 0 DTE put is a little bit higher. We have another kind of red line. It's a red line. It's important. It's a 0 DTE call resistance gamma wall also up here at 700. And that really is kind of daily resistance. I'll just draw a rectangle really quickly here to highlight that. I'm just going to highlight these two candles here and boom, we haven't seen anything above this for quite some time. So we'll kind of see what happens here. The official point of control is pretty nice. It's a pretty nice point of control. I like it, 24,621. So there's going to be kind of some tough decision making around VWAP today going into the close in the micro NASDAQ. Let's do the same thing for the E-mini S&P. I'll pull that up. We'll pull that one up instead of the micro. It's going to look the same. 81 handle range today, not bad. Point of control is a little bit higher up relative to the range of the day, and that's right at that S1 level, right at the top of also the initial balance high. So 66.72, again, a lot of resistance right there. I'm going to throw a rectangle up there as well. Why not? Rectangles are free on the NinjaTrader desktop platform. I'm going to pop that right there. That's what we're up against. Selling off VWAP. We're a little bit further south of VWAP right now. This is the session VWAP. We're trying to move our way up. We're right north of that JAX1 level, 61.50. And guess what? 1-day min. Boom, wick through it. 1-day min, wick through it and came back. Again, nice target on trend days are the 1-day mins and the 1-day maxes you see from Mentor Q, and it did not disappoint today. Volume-wise, 1.3 million in the E-mini S&P, decent volume, and we have NASI, micro NASI, 1.5 million also, and based on that. Based on a 14-day ATR, we're at about 169% of the ATR at this point in time. So a little bit more busy today than we're used to. Same with the ATR, the average true range, 141%. So that's a Mike Burke stat. You guys can get that. Just send me a note in the learn at email, learn at ninjatrader.com, and we'll send you that magic for your desktop if you so choose. All right, so that's what we're up against here. Some of the other markets haven't really changed that much. We did have some bigger moves in the metals complex. Copper is down though; it kind of came back down a little bit. Palladium, platinum, silver, gold, all pretty strong. Bonds are notes. Bonds, where are they at here? Are relatively down. I mean, ZB, the 30-year, is down 0.13%. So it's about 6 ticks. So it's something, it's not huge, but it's something. And then the 10-year is down a little bit as well. So suggesting we have more hawkish behavior. And it is Fed Palooza, by the way, today. A lot of Fed speakers are going to be continuing on their merry way today. All right, having said all that, that is today's Edge Report for the afternoon. Let's get to the main event with our four-way challenge participants, Stowe, Xyzeee, Leo, Nick4ATick. Good afternoon. We have a major comeback for Nick4ATick today. How you doing, Nick?
I'm feeling pretty good, Jim. How are you doing?
I bet he is.
it, I mean, what can we say? You just keep plugging away, and eventually things kind of click.
Man, I thought you were gonna. Oh, come on. I was like, yeah, Nick, talk your shit. But that's what you say? That's
Yeah,
what you
bro,
say?
that's pretty weak,
You
I
got to
mean,
dunk,
honestly.
Nick. You got to get the dunk
Yeah,
out.
you
No,
got to get
I'm
it
I'm
out.
I'm going to defend Nick on this one. He's telling the truth. This is a life lesson for anything, man. You just keep plugging away and you're going to get it. You're going to get it right, and he did it today.
Nick, I want to hear Nick
Deli
say
said he's gonna
the
sweeten the pot.
meanest.
So I mean, let's be honest here. We're competing for something, not just bragging rights of our friends, but a first class ticket to Florida.
Hmm.
So if Deli wants to up the ante a little bit, put a little pressure on these guys to now catch me, then let's
Well,
go.
we're all in the same trade. I don't think that
Yeah,
there's any catching
unfortunately.
up.
Well, maybe you get a little crazy with the reverse button, sir.
Yeah, I'm trying to take it the other way because everyone's in the same trade.
Oh, you're gonna fade this rally?
Have to. We're all in the same trade. Nothing changes.
Wait.
Yeah.
Deli's in the chat saying maybe we should sweeten the pot here.
What's
See what
the
he comes up with.
sweetener?
Absolutely. I love it. So Stowe's getting close to being green.
Eh.
XYZ,
I
I
got a
think
ways to
XYZ,
go.
I think XYZ also made a big comeback. I don't know how. I mean, you said you were down what,
I was
4,999?
not. I was just kidding the whole time. It never went that far. It was maybe like 1800 or something.
All right,
I
still a
think the
good,
peak, I don't know, like 2000.
still. A- Oh,
I
and
was just messing around.
ever since Leo took his sunglasses off, I don't know, he fell off the leaderboard.
Oh,
Get
I
those
took them
back
off
in.
early before the open, Jim.
Oh, did you? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Wow. In any event, well, gentlemen, you guys are doing a great job. There's still a lot of trading left today, and I don't know where we're going to end up. We'll see what happens right now. But we have a nice volume going into today. We have other correlated markets moving kind of nicely. Fed Palooza is still going on, so you're going to have some more Fed speakers out of the woodwork saying stuff that could move this thing around a little bit. So you guys have your hands full today.
That is true.
It is true. Yes.
The
All right.
real question for everyone that's hanging out in the chat is there is still time for you to beat the other three. In fact, I'm the only one that's green. So you guys can actually just quickly register for this, flip a micro, and you are beating all three of them.
You don't even need to flip anything.
That's great.
You
I
could
think you
just
got to
sign up
register a trade,
and
right?
you're already beating us.
But I think you gotta put something on there. Maybe. I don't know.
Oh my goodness. Speaking of everybody else, thank you for being here, everybody in the chat. Thank you for, if you're not in the chat and you're viewing, thank you also. We appreciate you. Thank you for the thumbs up. Those are awesome. And thank you for the subscriptions. Remember, we're getting close to that 150,000 subscriptions for the channel. We're almost there. I know you guys are going to put us over the top, and we're going to get to that. And there's going to be some gifts flying out of people's pockets your way. So thank you for doing that, and thank you for being such a great crowd. Great interaction in the chat for sure. So, just wanted to mention that before I dip over into the chat, gentlemen. Wishing you all the best of luck, and I'll be in the chat rooting for all for you.
Thanks, Jim.
Thanks, Jim.
See ya, Jim.
I think they need to take off the bears from you guys
Yeah,
since now that you're
I'm
long.
very long.
Oh yeah, that's
Everybody needs a
outdated.
bull.
Yeah, I mean a bowl symbol. Chat, how we doing?
Nick, you're awfully talkative all of a sudden. That's super strange. It's
It's
almost
weird,
like
right?
you didn't have shit to say this morning, and now that you're up, you got a fucking voice.
I mean, this is what
Hell
happens.
yeah.
This is what you're supposed to
Say
do.
all of it, Nick.
It's a long trading day.
Mm-hmm.
I
Yeah.
can.
Nick is a completely different person this morning. Guess what? Guess who's the same, Nick? Me.
Guess who's back?
Stowe. We're
Back
consistent.
again.
I mean, I would say I'm pretty.
You
consistent.
were losing your ass. I'm losing my ass right now. And guess what? I'm
I
still
haven't
talking.
found my ass.
I'm like half an ass in at the moment.
Oh, like it's like half.
I'm trying
Half
to
on
think
the seat,
about.
half
Yeah, I
off the
just
seat?
don't know.
This day has been so fucking wild.
Yeah,
It
it's
wouldn't
it's
surprise
quite
me
gross.
if it wouldn't surprise me if we close if we make a new high on the day. Actually.
I know. We should. Yeah, we might. We went right back to that 460 dude, and he said nope. And then it's been yet another piss missile. So that's
Hey,
two
Rack
piss missiles
City.
for that dude.
Rack City makes a good point. I
What?
think that I'm bad at Thursdays thing was a hoax. You know,
That's
they hustle you
possible.
a pool.
Sandbag. Yep.
Like, oh, I'm so
I
bad
could
at
show you the
pool. I don't know.
statement.
Let's play $100 a ball.
Classic
Nick's like, I'll
sandbag.
show you.
I will show you.
I'll
If you
prove
want to
it.
see the lost porn, I will show you the lost porn.
Hey, traders don't lose, Nick.
Yeah, we
That's
never
right.
lose.
Yeah.
It's just not. Oh
Nick
my
was playing the
goodness.
long game.
Do you know
'cause it was
how? Do you know how? Okay, so
Wow.
I'm gonna tell you what I messed up today. We left the stream. Jim's like, "Is everybody trading?" I'm like, "Yeah, everybody's all in. Like, we're all gonna sit here, and I've been here." And the problem is we hit the reversal that I kind of ignored, and I was looking for more continuation trades. And it wasn't that I just took continuation trades that effed me. It's that I was holding them for like home runs, right? So like I would get into a long, it would, rotate up 15, 20 points and I wouldn't do anything. I wouldn't take profit or anything. And so I actually walked away from my strategy a bit and I paid the price.
Dude, I did that like all day.
Yeah, because I was just like, I'm just gonna, like I gotta catch up to Stowe. I gotta
Well, I
get up,
mean, realistically, there is no good strategy for, okay, I have 5 lots. I've got to figure out how to make the most points ever. Like, that's not a good way to trade. So, what we're doing is we're playing a game within a game within a game right now
Yeah,
called
right.
How to Be as Ridiculous as Humanly Possible with 10 total lots in
Yeah, I
between
flattened
two.
my long up at the 80s because I was like, if everyone's long, I can't win like this. I got to get short. So now I'm just flat waiting for a short.
I am so freaking long right now. It's
Everyone's
insane.
just long and I'm just sitting here flat. Like, when can I sell this thing? Like, I can't do it now.
And I just took 2 off. I really wouldn't be surprised to see a new high on the day.
Look at this can. Look at this.
This whole V is like
That
insane.
dip was bought with vengeance.
Oh my goodness.
It was like Neo. No,
it was.
we go up now.
We go up now. Yikes.
We're approaching a 200-point long. Where am I long from? I'm long
Yeah,
from
that's like the whole
460.
day's range.
I'm long.
I'm long from 4. No, I'm not. What's my price? 460. Yeah, 460. Damn, I almost have a 200-point long.
My average sucks. I'm only in because I added at 580. So like I'm in from up here now. But I'm long ES from 50.
I think I'm gonna get out of the ES trade.
I just flattened out of NQ.
Trim.
All right, Nick,
I'm down
Nick,
to
keep
2
narrating what
NQ.
you're doing because I need to do the opposite to catch you.
It's fair.
All right, adding 2 more. Nick got out 2. I got to add 2.
Guys, I could probably get rid of this Dom, but I kind of need it.
We're rolling on Tradeovate today.
I
anyone
switched
figured
to
out how to get
Tradeovate
up
and
to
suddenly the
25
world
lots?
opened for me in this competition.
What?
And you have a full ladder.
Yeah.
Whose screen is this?
That's Nick's.
Wow.
I'll be right back. Can we put business duck for me for a minute?
You need business stock again? Put them up.
Business Duck is back. It never gets old.
Almost spit my coffee, Kevin. Close.
Is this the short though?
Wow, what a ride. What a journey. Insane.
I'm out.
Position.
Welcome back, homie.
But you can leave business duck up there for me. That's fine. He's pretty badass. Or not.
Wow, first place is almost at 7K. That's crazy.
Is it the same guy?
I don't know.
No, it's not the guy from this morning. It's somebody else.
Oh wow.
Ooh, someone caught the Nick comeback.
Do you feel that
someone's traded-
competitions can ruin you a bit? Kind of like the home run derby can hurt a hitter swing.
I certainly won't be trading
Yeah.
tomorrow, and for that exact reason.
Yeah.
Guess who will be trading tomorrow?
I don't know if I'm going to be.
I think Nick, or I think XY is probably on in the morning, huh? Bright and early.
Hey,
Yes.
Michael, that's a great strategy.
Me and Chris.
You you have uncovered a gem.
XY, if they put you on any more, they're gonna change your sleep schedule by accident. You know, like your your circadian rhythms are gonna go out of whack.
Damn, I didn't even realize tomorrow is Friday.
I'm like
already.
nodding off at like 7 p.m.
You're on tomorrow, XY? Who's on tomorrow with you?
Me and Chris.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, I'm just gonna be nodding off. It's like the sun's still out. Guess what I got, Stowe?
What you got?
Staying salty, baby.
Oh, nice. Yeah, mine's still not here. Amazon is blowing it.
Is that the LMNT?
The LMNT.
Better than Element.
Much better.
Yeah, I've heard it's better than Element.
Both salty. I'm just gonna stay
All
on
right,
this. What else am I gonna do?
nice.
I got 5 lots. I don't want to get one off.
Yeah.
You're holding on to 5 still?
Yeah, I
What-
got 5 on both. I could maybe I guess I could
Wow.
maybe try to get a little cute with NQ, but this is right where I would imagine this. I mean, this distribution holds.
You got a sweet talk it like Pax would.
They've locked out I don't know, everybody today in both directions 5 times. So
Ooh,
What?
Woo!
What are we doing?
That's a fun one. I think a Fed. No, that Fed's not till 3:30. I don't know what the hell's going on today, Leo.
It just seems like
Speaker 12:30.
Yeah. We got daily. Daily? Daily. Let's see. ES came back to a good spot there. Our THV up test. We just got to get up. We got to fill that gap. We need 78.
that was my original take profit on this long from the lows, but I just flattened out all of it.
You're kind of playing a different game right now. You're like
I'm
you're in
debating
Final
on-
Jeopardy.
Yeah, like
And-
do I want to hit reverse and short this or possibly re-enter here at the overnight VWAP? Like, do I? I don't
Right.
know. Just kind of waiting.
Previous week value very low.
Did Deli ever said what he's sweetening the pot with?
No.
Mystery.
Just dropped the nugget and left.
Mm.
I think what I need to do is convince you guys to get short, hoping that it's wrong.
Good
So
luck
I
with
say
that.
That's
get
short.
long. You're short?
So
Nah.
since
I was,
Deli
I just
has
landed.
no confidence in the 3 of you to catch me, he's going to do something for second place.
Nice. Okay.
Cool.
I like that because I'm in second place.
Can you tell I'm in second place?
It's like, yeah, never before have I talked my own book more than today on this show. Oh, it sounds great.
And that was the other day where we had that poor low, and then they just made another one, and you're like, "Can you tell I'm short?"
Wait, what's a poor low?
A poor low.
Poor lows are real. Poor highs
Lows
are fake.
real. Yes, that's correct.
It's like double tops are fake, but double bottoms are real.
So you want to know what a poor low is? It's basically just a bunch of equal lows that,
That
have
thing's
not
gonna
been
get
breached
miles.
and reclaimed yet. And it's also something that frustrates the hell out of me. So there's that. Listen, I can
The
honestly
only
say,
thing that I hear when that recording goes off is It just frustrates the hell out of me.
Chat, I'd like to share with you something. Something happened to me over the last week with the combination of all of this streaming and doing the podcast and making those videos. I now officially am so sick of myself. I don't even want to talk out loud anymore. Like when I'm done working and my girls are trying to talk to me, it's very hard for me to say words because I'm so sick of it.
I
You
have
know
to
what?
lay on the couch in silence for like 30
That's
minutes.
that's actually such a good way to put it. It's like the whole time I'm making the playbook, I'm like, I don't know what this feeling is, but I hate it, and I kind of hate myself.
Yes.
And my brain is so fried, I need to just lay down in silence with the lights off and just not think. Like,
Yes.
are you done, by the way?
We are spending a lot of spoons. Am I done with what?
The playbook. I mean, the course.
Oh no. No, not at all. Just just that last episode.
Yeah, I'm happy to report that I am done, so I can do other things, make other content.
That's good. Yeah, so I
Dude.
did all the VWAP stuff for the most part, and then I'm going to get into volume profile and delta volume profile in concert with those VWAP spots. And then I'm going to do a series where I just go through, I just replay some days. I want to show an example of when it works, an example of when it blows up in your face. And then once I do all those things, I should be done forever. And then I'll only make jokes into the internet from there on.
Fatfish, that's a good process. It's actually pretty good. Duality of man right there.
I'm trying to maximize this long.
Yeah.
Can we keep going? Every time we've gotten to prior day low all afternoon, we traded around it for an hour, and
it was big mad.
I wanted to punch a lot of things.
Yeah, that sucked. Yeah, where was that? It was like, oh, this
It's right here.
Yeah. This mess, this 20-point range they gave us from 1240 to 120. Yeah, it was terrible.
Yeah. Looks like second place is getting a special swag door drop when staying in Naples.
Woo!
Is that swag liquid?
That's actually a good question.
Anthony?
Yeah, is it?
Chat. You sure you want this playbook, man? I can show you how to be 13,000th place.
How I got to 13,000th
Yeah, you guys
place
sure
in one day arena competition. Just make that thumbnail, like 13,000th place.
The thumbnail has to be like a bunch of fire and like
like
Deli screaming at you
shocked.
and like, ah!
Yeah.
You're in agony. How I got exposed live on stream.
Exposed is a good word to use for clickbait. That is true.
Exposed. Yeah.
Yeah, when you use exposed.
Everyone likes a good expose. You know what I mean?
Yes, they do. People love that.
XYZ exposed. Episode 2. Futures Trader subreddit.
Can't even make
my time.
$500.
Time is up. It's my time.
Yeah. Yeah, you guys have to get on there. I mean, that's the thing. I've made it. It's your turn now.
I mean, I could just make my own thread on a burner.
No,
Like,
that doesn't work.
This guy?
No.
That's a really good idea.
I repeat, do not check out his playbook.
Ooh.
A lot of these sweeps, huh?
I'm telling you, they bought that dip with the piss missile.
They did. Interesting. ES made a new low and Q did not.
Yeah, I thought that was interesting.
I would have guessed the opposite was going to happen.
Yeah.
It's just freaking sick.
Yeah, because NQ is stronger than ES this morning. So New all-time high by tomorrow. Can we get a new all-time high in the next 30 minutes? That would be great.
That'd be sick.
That means Stowe's long too.
Yeah. What else would I be?
Nick, are you gonna trade?
No, I'm completely flat right now. I've been just kind of watching, waiting.
Somebody has to catch you.
Yeah, Nick has
Well, that
taken the position
plus-
of I've got all the money in Final Jeopardy. I will be betting $10, and it's up
I
to
know what
us to
Nick's-
get this
I know
last
what he's
answer.
doing. He's
We're
getting
still
flat
sitting like
'cause he knows they're
exactly
gonna
where I
lock us.
covered. So
They're gonna lock us in a 15-point range for the rest of the session. So he's like, I'm good.
I mean, you're not wrong.
I know where this is going. Nowhere.
I
It's
covered
kinda-
right here.
Nowhere, baby. Nowhere.
Well, chat, thanks for hanging out with us today, by the way.
Yes. Yes.
Hopefully it
Thank you
gets
so
good
much.
ratings so they'll let us do this again.
Oh yeah, can you give us a like?
Yeah, we haven't asked for likes today.
I did earlier this morning.
Did you?
Yeah, I think you were so out of your mind this morning that you didn't even hear anything nor speak.
I mean, I spoke.
And now all of a
Just like
sudden,
blacked
because you're
out.
number one, you've got a lot to say.
I was trying to
I'm
find
just saying.
like, okay. Do you want to know why Nick wasn't speaking? Look at the spastic amount of entries, exits, getting back in, like the chaos that was
Hey,
this morning of me
it's
trying.
fine.
To
He was
trade.
too busy locked in.
I had to reset my router. I had my flatten button wasn't
So
working.
that's
I had all
the
kinds of
excuse
problems
for you
too.
being in fourth.
What?
That's the excuse for you being in fourth right now. The router.
Yeah. No, Nick. I was saying
baby.
that out of all of those things that happened this morning, it didn't stop me from being communicative and participate.
All right, so while everyone's fighting, we're gonna take the lead.
I just got back to green, baby.
Nice.
You're green.
Yep, up
I'm
$20.
still down like
Ooh.
4,800.
How much are you down?
4,800.
I still have to catch up.
We're all winners.
There's the leaderboard.
Fat fish. Whoa, this is not millennials. Zoomers. I don't know. Okay, I'm trimming.
Hey Jude, sometimes you're just
Ah.
locked in looking for the next trade.
You guys sucks.
What?
I hate this six.
Yeah, he's a
6,000
he's a real
666 guy.
he's a real pissant.
He is. He's not being very cool.
Yeah.
He is kind of mean, isn't he?
Yeah, I'll
Sure.
pull back.
Sure. Yep.
Yeah, whatever. I'll just sit with this thing. It really is kind of yeah, it's definitely a puzzle on the position sizing. I think that's where, I mean, I don't know. We don't have anybody to blame but ourselves. So, yeah, whoever's fault this is, whose idea was this? Leo? This sizing?
No, that was Deli's. Deli made the call.
Oh, Deli's side. Okay, great.
Mhm. Actually, they wanted us to do 3 micros. I convinced them to let us do 5.
Lord.
Dude, 3 micros would have been so chaotic.
Deli, I only trade in increments of 15. So, yeah, I just got to hold this. Nothing I can do.
Add to this. Micro pullback add.
The thing about this day is it's been a pullback for ants until it was a 200-point straight down death
Yeah.
drop.
Yeah, I feel that.
And I was like, okay. So no more. Okay. Whatever that Fed speaker said, it must have been real bad.
He had money on Nick.
That makes sense. That makes
He
sense.
said Nick was short going into the afternoon.
Yeah, he had
Who'd you
money
call,
on it.
Nick? Was it Barr or Logan? Who'd you bribe?
I was short 690s.
Rude.
And I covered way too early, but
I was probably buying 690.
Goolsby.
Goolsby, that's Jim's favorite.
Because he's from Chicago.
Yeah. Chicago. He says he's a good guy too. He says he's funny. I think he said he's got jokes. Jim, you may need to confirm that.
I mean, honestly, we could not have asked for a better trading environment to do this all day.
Seriously.
Oh yeah, for sure.
It could have been way worse.
I know that Dolo Mick is probably making fun of us, but you do have a very good point. This is not. This is trading inside of a trading contest between 4 people. So yes,
Yes, this is what overtrading is.
this
In
is
fact,
what overtrading
yes.
Yeah.
looks
This
like.
is the
Yes.
definition of
I don't know what you
overtrading.
guys are talking about.
I mean,
This-
I think X, Y, and
I'm
I were
doing what
great
I always
examples
do.
of why overtrading is a bad thing. If you're, especially when you're green to start the day, like both of us went green to very, very red very quickly.
I went from green to red.
I went from green to big red, back to 0. If anything, I have round tripped my own self at least 4 or 5 times today.
Yeah, I did the same.
So yeah,
They don't speak for me, chat. I'm always this bad. Do I actually play pool? No, not very rarely, just for fun. If it's like we're at a pool hall or something.
ooh, you
Not
got some pool
often.
skills,
Oh, you're a shark.
No, I wouldn't say I have pool skills at all, actually.
but you just like it. I like playing pool.
It's fun. I mean, it's something to do, but I've probably only played like 6, 7 times in my entire life.
Look at these turkeys on ES down here. We got that 54 and a 50 guy. Just like
I'm trying to
stacked.
short this thing because you guys are all long.
Makes sense.
It needs to die.
Oh, we got a little algo on the book here, 27. Just
Yeah.
tracking this thing. Okay.
Talking about that. Oh yeah, I see it.
Yeah. The bouncy guy.
The 20 lot.
Mm-hmm. Catch me if you can.
I hate,
Yeah.
I hate when I see one of
He
those
wants
things.
the really good sweep. Oh, he's gone.
Yep. Every time I see one of those things, it's like I need to squint so I don't constantly keep seeing that pattern in the static.
Vintage Trader says Nick's quiet again. Yeah, he's probably putting
I'm
another
eyeballing a
2,000.
short.
He's probably he's hawking a short up here.
All right. So what we need to do so is get them giga short and we
No,
rally
you guys
this thing.
can't short. I'm
trying.
sure.
Huh? Yeah. No, you guys, you and Nick get short and we moon it. And then
That
Stowe and
sounds
I
like
take
earlier
back over.
today.
I just have a personal vendetta with this 660 guy. So
I remember that.
I'm
Wait,
gonna be
that
long
was the old
into
contract.
this.
He's different now.
It's the same guy. I think
No,
they
he's
just-
different now.
they
He
trade
said.
off.
He said.
This is the new me.
He said it's different now.
It's different now. Where have I heard that before?
Come on. Okay, what time is it? I feel like
Blue Shark. If
I've
that's
been here for
true,
all day.
202.
We got-
Power hour.
got an hour left. All right.
Blue Shark. If that's true, you could tip Stowe.
Whew.
He
How are we going to rally all the way back to the prior day low in NQ and just sit here again?
That's what Nick.
That is
And for, man.
disgusting.
That's why he's like, I'm just gonna get flat and chill because the market's not gonna move anymore.
You have a golden retriever throwing up under my desk. That's always good.
Oh my god.
He's got other problems.
I hear him hacking.
His
under
dog
my
is
desk.
liquidating
I'm like,
under
oh
his
god.
desk.
Oh man, that's rough.
Oh, that's funny. I mean, it's not funny. It's not that funny, but it's kind of funny.
And they're doing
know
the
if he's throwing
same
up.
shit
He's
they were doing this
hacking.
afternoon. They would get us below prior day low, like the 412s, and they would rip it right back up to 30, 32. And then they would do it again over and over and over and
Yep.
then dumped it.
This thing is
The
primed
dog
up
is
to make a new
foreshadowing
high.
the market puking. Yeah, it's very possible. It already,
Nick, there's your sign.
it already did. No, it's
Get short.
This is a short. I
Get
would
short.
take, and I would get absolutely blown out to a new high. Of the
Get
day.
it short,
This is that
Nick.
type of short that makes
Put a
no
short
sense
in.
to take
Full
because
short.
sellers already got over their
Full
skis
size short.
under 500 again, just like they did this morning.
Oh man.
Hey, if you love the short this morning, why wouldn't you love it this afternoon?
Because I loved it at 690. I don't love it at 630.
Somebody loves it at 6:30. Tell you what, they're a pain in the ass.
Yeah, that's true.
Quit it. Stop.
And ES never
reloading
filled
this.
its gap, right?
No,
It did not.
Yeah.
What the dog doing?
He's chill. He's not throwing up, so we're good.
The worst is when you hear that sound, Nick, and at
Oh,
like 2 a.m.
If that could be an alarm, like that is the greatest alarm of all time, because that will be that is the only way that you will wake up like completely wide awake and ready to do whatever, is the
Right.
sound of your dog laying in bed and possibly throwing up on your comforter.
Oh, our dog is not allowed to sleep on our bed.
Neither is mine anymore, but they used to.
My dog loves her crate. She's very well crate trained.
That dog yells at you, right, Leo? You want to tell?
Oh yeah, if
tell
I
a
come
story about how
downstairs,
awesome that
anytime
dog
I
is?
come downstairs, she's. I mean, she comes after me. She's dumb. She's the dumbest,
Every time I
but
mention
she's
that
what
dog, I
she's loved.
imagine this.
Come on, buyers, push. Can we get a push?
Oh, my internet freaked out. Is that the white van?
I think I said you win it, man.
Yeah, I paid them to come cut your
Look
fiber.
at this guy. Now we got this guy at 37. Holy Moses.
This 660 guy
I think
really.
this thing is gonna go to a new high, man.
That's what I said when we got on and 45 minutes ago.
They are just stepping up this bid. They don't care.
There's a
The whole market
900
is
lot at
Stowe.
54s
There's a
on
bunch of
ES and
Stowes
at
in the
50s.
market.
Nick, where's the gamma?
I mean,
Yeah, actually,
honestly, like
yeah.
right here.
I knew it. Freaking
Yeah,
gamma.
Like
Gamma's
just
right
a
here.
little below this, to be honest. Like 58s.
Mm-hmm.
Well, actually like 56.
I'm just trimming this ES long because it's literally right at the rotation high here. Might have to do the same thing with NQ actually.
I trimmed it too. Really don't want
Yeah.
to. So I could get back in above this, but like, I don't know. If I just have to sit here and play this range for 20 minutes, maybe I do.
Maybe they'll get a little pullback. I'm gonna get out the ES trade actually. You know, Leo's in trouble if he's asking about gamma. No, I just like to give Nick a hard time about it. A while
So-
ago, when Nick first became part of the clan, he was professing his love for gamma.
That's
we made it.
not true.
That is totally true, Nick. What are you
I hit
talking
a few
about?
large options trades near the end of the day and got a little over my skis. And Leo challenged me to accurately predict the close using nothing but gamma. And it, of
Which,
course,
by the way, it worked
blew
for
up in
2
my
weeks
face.
straight.
And I quit the contest 2 days in.
Okay, I was trying to lie
That
for
is
you.
the
but
truth.
Okay.
It is. This actually happened.
Okay.
That was a fun bit. I like that. I enjoyed that time. $50 guys gone.
Admitting it is the first step.
Catfish.
I love gamma. She's in heaven now.
That is crazy.
That's a classic.
That fish has jokes. Our whole chat is funny. Like everybody we've met in the last 6 months of doing this or whatever, like you guys have good jokes. And I'm not just saying that.
Have we been doing this for 6 months?
Yeah,
Yes, we
almost.
have.
Dude, time flies.
gosh.
Yeah, 6 months.
That's crazy.
I know. Feels like just 9 years ago.
Yeah, we are literally doing the same thing we did at noon
Yep.
at the same price.
Is the gamma in the room with us?
Straight down and then straight back to it. Weird. Not fun.
The end.
It's okay. Gonna refresh the site. I wonder if somebody's gonna get to 10K.
That would be insane with the
Someone's
equivalent
close,
of
right?
one
They're like
mini.
at
But I
7,
guess
8.
if you needed a day to do it, this is the exact type of day with these kind of rotations of 200 points in NQ.
Yeah, if you were long and then got short and flipped.
Yeah.
Nick, when you're in this first class seat, I need you to document what that's like for us all.
I will. Maybe
I
I'll
want to
go
see
full influencer. We'll do some, in real
exactly.
life Instagram live things that I don't actually do. So maybe we'll do some of those.
I would also maybe talk. I know Kane is really fashionable. Maybe talk to him about what you should wear up there because I wouldn't know either. I don't think
have
you're allowed to wear a
absolutely no
baseball
idea.
cap. I don't think you're allowed to wear t-shirts. You got to really dress up.
Won't they like
In
take
first
your
class?
Yeah, I think
your
so,
sport
right?
coat for
No,
you and like
you can
hang
wear
it up?
whatever you want in first class.
Yeah, I was like, have you guys ever flown?
Absolutely not. There's no dress code.
Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about.
I've never flown first class, but I have. I'm not trying to brag. Paid for the extra legroom seats a couple times.
Wow, now you're
I know.
you were a wild man. You need to reel yourself in.
It's just worth it for my claustrophobia, to be honest.
All right, I'm gonna try this wicked long.
Apparently, like the whole chat flies first class. Like you guys must be amazing traders.
Spider, not me, but a friend of mine. It would be cool. Well, it'd be cool if I did, though, right?
I think I've flown first class once, and it was an upgrade from all the work travel that I was doing.
Oh, that's cool.
Trying to think if there was another time outside of that. No, I don't think there was.
All right, we are max long. Give me that rotation up.
I've been max long.
please. You have?
Yeah,
Yes, I just can't. It's just me banging up against this the 60 guy on ES and this 630 guy on NQ.
I'm just glad I flattened right here and not wasted the last 30 minutes of my life staring at this.
Well, you
You're
should get
wasting it
short.
staring at us. Can't
Yeah,
tell
Nick, I
what's
think
worse.
this is a key. This is a really good short opportunity. If I wasn't so long right now, I would definitely be in a short right here.
I have taken this short several times in my trading career, and it usually, for how many times it's worked, it usually ends poorly. I'd say 80% of the time, it usually leads to me being stopped out.
80% of the time, it works every time.
You know what? I'm in. Let's do it.
All right.
Yes.
We got him.
I'm not.
We got him
Leo.
short.
We got him short. All right. Now, market. Now that Nick is short, you know what to do.
No, man, I have a feeling Nick made a phone call.
Nick is
I
not.
don't know about this.
I mean, look at these. Look at blue team over here. This is gnarly. 40. This is,
Yeah.
I don't know, 2,000
Actually
lots up
wild.
here. This is gross.
Okay. You know what to do, chat. Buy this market.
No, they're
No,
supposed to be hitting like and
Cooper's rooting
subscribe.
for a crash. Cooper's on Nick's team.
Well, while nobody's getting what they want, please hit the likes if you haven't.
Yes, please do that.
Yeah, we're going to plug once again for our march to 150,000 subscribers. We are trying to do it before the 4 of us and everybody hang out in Florida. So if we do, in fact, make it to 150,000 subscribers, we're going to do a ton of giveaways, do a bunch of fun stuff to celebrate that. So please do us the favor. If you have not, if it's your first time hanging out here on this channel, watching us stream all day today, then we appreciate you doing that. And please take the time to subscribe. We do this 4 days a week, the 4 of us in the afternoons, trading the close, as well as a bunch of other smart people and great traders in the morning. So continue to hang out with us.
Great job. That was a nice read, Nick. Good job.
Yeah. Do you have
That
that
was-
on a flashcard?
Nope, once
Shanta,
again,
you want to see my
just
P&L?
top
I
of my
can
head.
tell you what it is. I'm down $1,200.
Oh, damn. I'm above XY now.
Where you at?
Can't tell you.
Secret, huh?
I'm gonna
we
I
really
don't
won't
know.
move.
really rethinking my life here.
Yeah,
You guys
same.
at down 830. I'm down 200 clams. Next short's gonna
Right.
work. And
I'm
what's gonna
out.
happen is this is gonna go to 0, and then Nick's gonna bang this thing into smithereens.
Damn, I
I
had
did
it
not take the short.
near the highs.
What was your high watermark, Stowe? Weren't you up like
$1,000.
how much?
I was up 1,000.
Dang.
Yeah, like I said, I completely forgot about the NQ trade that was on, and I was just locked into ES, and yeah, I just never
And
covered
it
it.
did you in,
And it
huh?
did. Yeah. I am full port EF 47. There's no it's full as it can get right now.
I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try this. Come on.
If it stays like this, would it count as the end of the green streak for XY?
No.
Unfortunately.
This does not count.
Unfortunately, guys. Unless you only count real money.
XY is so good that he only has a red day when it's sim.
Hey, we'll see tomorrow. We'll see tomorrow morning.
That's
that might be the green streak ender. So make sure you tune in, okay? Witness it in real time.
Look at this 612. 613 buying every lot that there is right there for no reason.
Yeah, and they just pop it up
they
to
just pop it up
30,
to 30
and then
and
they
then-
sell it.
Yeah.
The same thing they did in the afternoon. And I kept
wish-
holding it and not taking profit.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Next time an algorithm is going to do this, wonder if there's a way for them to just let us know that they'll be taking profit in this 20-point increment.
Yeah.
Last place has to stream every day next week. Oh no, no way.
No, wrong.
No
guys wanna see
punishments,
that.
thanks.
Nick's breaking his Thursday streak.
So
I think he's
No.
just been lying to us.
I did not break the Thursday streak. In fact, the personal account went untraded today. So, which is better than me, I guess, trading the last few weeks. I would have had a much better time not trading those days.
So we should just do a arena competition every Thursday
That sounds nice.
to break your streak.
That sounds like a lot of fun. We got to do more 4-way streams. What was it? 92% of the chat voted yes.
It was very popular.
Wants to make production behind the scenes work a little harder, I
Oh my
guess.
gosh, it did it again.
And they are the hardest working people in streaming, folks.
I agree.
And they put up with us. So
Yeah, what they're doing is
God
way more
bless them.
difficult than this.
yeah, I make them press buttons for me on their weekend on Sunday nights. Like it's a great group of folks. They have to wear an I came in fourth place t-shirt on stream.
All right, all that
Says
liquidity
Deli.
is gone now on ES. That weird, those several 100,000 lot guys below are gone.
Same game from earlier. Dropped to 12, rotated up to 20, 30.
Wow. Dane, I don't know, man. Yeah, people are above 6K. That's a good day.
There's
I
people
mean,
above 6,
Yeah, I
That's
guess.
kind
like
of
more than
wild.
one guy. That's crazy.
I guess.
A lot of better traders than us.
So it seems.
There's 11,000 better traders than me, according to leaderboards.
1,000? Boy,
11,000.
we got a lot of we got a lot of,
Yeah, we got a lot of
people in
signups,
this
huh?
contest.
Notch at 08 here in NQ. It's kind of the definition of this upper distribution right here.
Yep.
It'd be nice. It'd be nice to make a rotation to a new high. Because I'm not short.
Guess I
Let's see,
should
we
have
got
short.
40 minutes.
They wouldn't puke this again, would they?
No, certainly not. They would
Telling
never.
you guys, man, Nick made the call. It's a little coincidental.
Mm-hmm.
Is
He didn't
Nick
trade it, though.
actually the
I did
inner
not trade it.
circle guy?
Am I a what?
Inner circle Nick?
I don't know what that is.
ICN.
That sounds like a meme coin.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's not a thing.
This is the spot. Come on, NQ.
I feel like we should pull last night's Penning the Tape episode and push it out a few weeks based on the way the four of us have traded today.
Just put a whole never mind on it.
Context is just
Never mind.
not
Never
great.
mind. You could just, do as we say, not as we do.
Yes. Again, disclaimer on this day. We are all in the
We're
middle of
having
a fun competition. We are trading sim. We trade. I mean, we deserve to have a goofy time. We trade extremely seriously with our own money every day in front of 1,000 people at a time. So I don't feel bad having a goofy time for a second at all.
You guys haven't been trying?
I weirdly said I cared
been
about this
mega
more
locked
than
in.
trading my own money today. So
Down to one. Okay.
Yes is really it's really pissing me off.
I know, dude. Me too.
do
You
I need
know?
to say it?
The gamma.
Look at SPX's current price traded.
Okay, Nick.
I'm just thinking of how many more ways can I piss off Leo? 40 minutes.
Nick's pulling out all the trolls.
Well,
I thought Nick was gonna start talking so much trash. I was like, hell yeah.
That's not really Nick's style.
No. I love you guys.
no, that's not very nice. Just saying. Just
Yeah,
saying.
Tracy, next time you gotta do like a sports book. Over unders, spreads.
Jim said he was on top of the bets. I don't know. He
He's
lost the
poly
plot.
markets.
Can ES hold this overnight low and last week's value low?
I'm going to say no.
You're going to say no, it can't?
I'm going to say it's probably going to tag that anchored VWAP from that swing low.
Which is like
You
at
better
50s.
hope it works, Nick, because Jim bet the house on you, he said. His entire house.
Good thing I didn't take the trade.
Jim took out the home equity line of credit and
Yeah,
everything. Jim has a structured settlement. He spent it all on Nick.
he called JG Wentworth.
That's hilarious.
What would Pax do? Pax would not be doing any of the things that we did today. That's for sure. Except maybe having fun. I mean, the 30-second opening range on ES and NQ has been a busy place for sure.
Pax would have probably short that and had a good move off the open for 25 handles and been very happy.
Yep. Man, that seems like so long ago.
I feel like I've been awake for 4 days.
Yeah, me too.
Have you tried it?
Been awake for 4 days?
Mm-hmm.
You start hallucinating at some point?
No, that's more like 7 to 10 days, I think.
Well, it
You're pretty
depends.
delirious.
It depends. When I'm manipulating space and time, I have been awake for 14 days.
I did a drive once straight for 30 hours, and that was a nightmare.
You stayed awake driving for 30 hours?
I did, yeah.
All right.
I did
NQ and ES.
San Diego to almost to Pittsburgh is about 30 hours.
Frinton, thanks for hanging out, man. See you tomorrow morning.
Hey, later, bud.
Later, Frinton. Frinton. Gross. All right.
There's a
we're
slight
covering
chance my
this.
trading might look a little different tomorrow,
Whoops.
guys.
Yeah.
Tune in to find out. Small chance.
TBD.
There she goes.
All right, they got down into that. It's not over yet. And I like that little node for ES.
Yeah.
Chill guy.
We're in this. We're testing this spot.
I don't
Yeah,
know. I was just
I
messing
am
around.
not short. I'm
What,
currently
Nick? I
flat.
thought you were short.
I wanted to.
I thought this was only working because you were short.
You guys just kept trying to like egg me into the short, like reverse psychology me into think they want me to short because they know it's a terrible trade and I'm going to give back a lot of money.
I got back in. Right
Should have
here.
been inversing ourselves.
52. Is that what I got filled out? It's hard to see the numbers on my screen. Oh, 52. I didn't realize you guys were only streaming the ES chart.
I've got NQ up too.
Well, I've got NQ going. I've got both side by
Okay.
side. They just don't have enough room.
Ah, okay.
This is what I need this to hold so that we moon.
Ooh, the race for second place is tightening.
But did you guys see what Deli said about last place?
No, what's the last place?
Last place, he's going to hand you a T-shirt. Says I finished 4th in a trading competition, and you have to wear said T-shirt.
That sounds
I
good.
say no to a free shirt, honestly.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't really accept free shirts.
Sav, when you make that shirt, I'm a large, please. Thank you. And if I could get a poly blend, not 100% cotton, that'd be perfect. A bit of a t-shirt diva.
Scratchy wool only. Oh man. Hey, but if it's free, it's free.
Are any of my accounts green? Yes. Yes, Kamish. Yes, they are.
You guys want to know something absolutely insane?
No.
Stowe has also been
No.
trading his actual cash account.
Don't tell them that. That's not.
Insanity.
It's not the spirit of this.
He's up like I think he's at like $48,000 or something like that.
Not 1,000.
Million.
Oh,
My
I don't
bad.
have the leverage for that.
Andrew says, "Is anyone green from U4?"
Nick is, yeah.
I am.
Nick, you gotta just don't trade anymore and stay green. So at least one of us is green.
Well, I've had to hedge all my side bets that I have going on with my cash account so that I can pay those off and not be underwater. So I'm doing a bunch of advanced math.
You're trading
Yeah,
the game within the game within the games.
Yes.
So much for the small and smooth. Fucking giga brain over here. Jeez.
A little bit of quant math.
Yeah.
Whatever.
You got to
He's like, oh, keep it small and smooth, you know. And then he's like hedging this to pay off that to hedge this. What the?
Well, sometimes
Is this real?
It's like you're like, okay, if I win this backhand, then I can get a free entry into the poker tournament. And then if I lose the backhand, then I can head over to the blackjack table, win 2 hands of that, and then I'm back to 0, and then I go back to Yeah, you guys don't do this?
It's got a process.
See
Maybe
you
we
guys
should have
at-
a call.
I see you guys at
Wait, am I the
Seminole
only one
Hard
that
Rock.
does this?
It's gonna be fun.
Am I the only one that does this?
So
Yes.
does his own little challenges.
Stowe? Yes.
All
The
right,
answer is
fair
yes.
Some would call the process a problem.
That's good. It's good throwing shop. That's good.
Stowe needs an intervention. He does.
Yep.
Stowe has needed an intervention for 2 years.
Easily. Possibly more.
Commish.
Stowe,
ri-
can I ask you a question though? What
no
happened
risk,
to
no
the
Rari.
Commish.
What-
a half hour isn't
what
going to be enough
happened-
time, man.
What happened to
I have a guest.
you have a guest?
Oh.
Oh,
We got a puppy.
What's up, puppy?
hey puppy.
Can't really see him, but he's risky.
Yeah, that's how wholesome
He
Nick
doesn't
is.
look like a puppy.
He won't talk shit, and he's surrounded by cute dogs at all times. So
Yes.
Oh yeah.
That's not the one who was almost throwing up though. He's somewhere else.
Before we got back on stream, right? Nick is like, "Oh, I'm gonna be so annoying." And they ask him about the comeback, and he's like, "Well, I just never gave up, and neither should you guys." I'm like, huh, all right.
Drops the world's most wholesome message.
Okay, so
Yes. What was your question?
what happened to the online PLO games?
Oh, I just ran out of time. We just got so busy. I haven't played online PLO in a long time. Well, that's not true. I played like
We
a
need-
couple weeks ago.
We need to get back into that.
You want to do that? Okay.
Yeah.
That's cool. You and I both spent like every ounce of free time that we had on side projects and other weirdness, including this. So that's where it went for a while. But no, we're getting into winter again too. It was a good winter sport.
All right, we're getting a bit of a rally here at the turn, right off of VWAP.
Oh, end period.
I do not, hey Jude, I do
Lady
not have a dog
M
anymore.
is here.
My wife and I had a very nice dog who was actually, she was kind of an asshole all the time, but we loved her very much. She passed away. She was 16, and we have not got a dog since.
Can we get above 30s? That's the question.
Can we get above
If we can get above 36 to 40,
Ooh, that's 60.
we could make a new high on the day.
I don't know, dude.
I'm feeling they're gonna pin it here.
I think I'm going to sell a couple.
What does Gamma say?
I have a feeling either we're filling this gap in ES or I'm wearing a t-shirt. That's my plan.
Are you in last? I thought you were in second.
I don't know.
Yeah, are you in second still? Are you good?
I don't
No,
know.
you're in second.
I thought Leo was set. Well, Jim said the race was tightening.
I don't know. Okay, well, go to the leaderboard. Can we pull it up?
I'm down like 1200 right now.
I think
Where are you guys at?
XY and Leo are
me see.
very close.
I haven't
Stowe
looked
in
a
second, says Jim.
Okay, so XY's in last.
I've
Oh,
been
okay.
like perpetually last.
Honestly, I'm not really playing against my friends anymore. I just really want to see this high taken out. This is driving me completely insane that this 660 guy's standing here like this.
He's living rent free in your mind.
Yeah. I'm paying rent to him. Actually, is how this is going on.
That's true. Yeah. It's not even rent free. You're actually just paying him
Yeah.
in fake sim bucks.
He is getting paid, yeah.
All right, I'm selling one more. Fool me once, shame on
I can't
you.
believe we're still in the same area that I covered that long from. We have not moved.
I can. As soon as you say you're flat, I was like, I bet I know what's coming.
Consolidation.
Just gonna stop moving.
XY has seen that movie before, for sure.
The market gods are like,
I've
no,
traded with
we're
it live.
Yep.
volatility's done. We're
I've
just
done
gonna.
enough afternoon sessions with Nick to know what happens.
I still think you and Leo or you and Stowe have the record though. At like 10-point range day.
Hey, Chucky Trades, thanks for subscribing.
Hey, nice.
We appreciate that.
We got one.
We got him.
One at a time. That's all.
How'd you find us? How'd you find us? That's the question. I heard XY say that people are finding us from painting the tape.
Oh, really?
Yeah, someone yesterday said that they just discovered NT Live from painting the tape,
Whoa.
which
I
was
didn't see
surprising.
that coming.
Sounds like NT Live needs to, give us a little readout, right?
The roles reverse.
Ryan, if you're in here.
Reversal. Maybe we could bribe Jim.
I bet Jim takes bribes for sure.
Yeah.
100%.
This goes back to when Jim was on vacation. We were supposed to come up with like the lore of Jim, like just making unreasonable, insane, potentially true facts that we were just making up just to increase the legend.
When I
that
was
is
telling
Jim.
everyone he can land his private jet into his pool.
That's good lore. I like that.
I've seen it.
Flash your Bitcoin. The Bitcoin, Jim.
The Bitcoin.
Not just any.
That 60 seller just does not want to party, apparently.
That guy hates fun.
Yeah.
Draco Malfoy asks if we ever trade the Nikkei. No, I do not, my friend.
I never have, to be honest.
Trade the what?
The Nikkei.
That's Japan's
Mm.
index or China? Yeah.
Mm-mm.
Actually, my friend just said he tried to trade the Nikkei, and he was like, "Yeah, the spread was like 8 points."
Yeah, it's kind of
So,
insane.
Yeah.
yeah.
No way.
I don't. Yeah, the new dashboard online when you log into your NinjaTrader account, like we're just playing right there as soon as you log in.
Yeah.
So,
Kind of
kind of
creepy.
like if you want to check your balance, you're kind of forced to look at me most days, which I back that for sure.
Good call, Leo. Sell was a good scalp. Yeah, it was. I didn't take it.
Is
That was the
is
long.
the Nikkei the ticks are $50?
For one tick?
Is that for real?
Oh, whoa.
Do we really only have 33 likes?
We have 33 likes.
That would be crazy.
No, we've got a lot more than that.
We have 328.
All right, cool. My
I
goodness.
think we deserve more likes than 330 now.
That's good for the afternoon, though.
But it's hey, we're doing a 4-way arena
Yeah.
challenge. We've been
But-
on all day.
Nobody has touched the record from X, Y, and I.
Well, yeah, nobody's cheated again either.
Yes,
That was
somebody
that
could.
was too
I mean,
easy.
Hey.
that's not true.
Nick,
Not-
that was way
That
too
was all
easy,
real.
right?
You think that was real?
It was
That
100%
light work,
real.
honestly.
I have a screenshot to prove it.
Here, it's about as real as Gamma.
That was
Oh, shots fired.
Leo, you're gonna upset a lot of people on Twitter tonight.
Don't
Yeah,
talk
well,
about
sorry.
fat fish's Gamma. I'm talking about Nick.
We're kind of known for our hot takes.
Are we?
Well, I'm trying to start it right now.
Oh, you're trying to make it.
Yeah,
So-
I'm trying to make it a thing. We're trying to bring the hot takes from the podcast into the stream. Until one of us gets a text message, and that will be when the hot take cools off.
And then you block the
I
number.
don't think we've said anything particularly hot.
Yeah, I think it could have been. We've had a good day.
Ugh.
Yeah, no. Right?
Yeah,
I mean, we're trying.
I know.
There's not much. The market's not cooperating.
I guess I should be taking profit at this 660 guy every time. I don't.
Big profit.
Yeah, I don't know.
Not that
I
kind of
have
day.
I have a good. I mean, I'm down on this NQ trade, but I'm in. Yeah, it's just I'm long from 49 on the other side of this node, so I don't really want to let it go.
Right.
Oh wait, that last Fed speaker's talking right now too.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's likely we just settle up here somewhere. I don't know. Low expectations for the next 20 minutes. ES is getting back to the value area low on the day
Yeah.
or on the session,
Mhm.
like full session. It's basically in the middle of both ranges. So is
Policy
NQ
rate
then.
remains modestly restrictive.
Okay. What's that like? Tough love? Modestly restrictive?
Will anything be done to prevent people from creating multiple accounts in the future?
I don't think you can.
I
No,
don't
you
think
can't.
you can.
Yeah, Stowe's just kidding, guys. He doesn't.
Yeah, we
have
were
multiple accounts.
just joking about that
Yeah,
earlier.
that's a joke. Yeah, you can't create multiple accounts.
Add to this ES long.
52 is the hero that we need, Leo.
It's hilarious how aggressive the market rallied off of that low right to the prior day low and then stopped. That's actually funny.
Yep. This thing has had 2 modes today. Extreme activity followed by extreme nothingness.
Actually, I would just characterize it as this: piss missile or death.
That's your new favorite word.
Piss missile's a good word. Yeah. for
Stowe
sure.
got me onto it. I mean, you know, Farm's favorite word on Sunday was piss missile, and I think Stowe caught onto it, and then everyone's saying it now.
Yep.
See you later, Video Starcade.
Oh, later, bud.
Thanks for hanging.
Give us a like before you leave.
And a sub if you haven't.
They got to be subbed. They're in here
More
all the
cuts
time.
will be needed over time.
I want to come back as a Fed member in my next life.
They just say things.
This
you
was
know?
like their Super Bowl day. Like every single
Mhm.
person was speaking today.
Yeah, it's crazy.
This was their 4-way battle.
Basically,
Yeah.
yeah, this was the equivalent of their arena challenge. Just
What a
sitting down
day.
with every journalist in the financial world, apparently.
Please do not do this and rotate this thing back down again. I'll be real
Well, the
annoyed.
view off from the low is at like 51. The view off from NQ's low is at like 585. We got 20 minutes left, though. Not a lot of confidence left in this for me. Like you said, we probably just close up here somewhere.
Yeah.
That's funny, Job. Job says he wants to come back as a dog that throws up under Nick's desk in his next life. That's very good.
You just wanted to have access to Nick's feet.
That's funny.
It's kind of kinky.
Made it weird.
If anybody can make something weird, count me in.
Made it weird. Got weird again.
It's fine.
Thanks, William. I'm glad you had fun, bud. We can't do this all the time because if we did, then we would probably forget how to trade and we would just turn into psychopaths.
I could not do this every day. That's
no.
Yeah.
It's freaking exhausting.
There's so much going on. I think it would be fun just to trade one market.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's
the-
the brain frying.
Yes.
Thanks, Chris.
Yes, man, dude. Hey, thank you, Chris.
Appreciate you, bud.
Thanks for jumping in. I'm in the top 40. Tired AF. I feel
Yeah.
that, Tony.
Yep. Good job, Tony. That's awesome.
Oh,
Hey,
it's a
Flight
West
here. Where
Coast
you been?
Friday tomorrow, Chris.
Yeah, Chris, do you have your PAX questions ready?
It's your turn.
I came up with a really good name for the segment for when Pax and Deli and anybody from the floor, whenever they talk about any old stories, we got to have a whole segment. I think I told Shab this. We got to make a whole segment built around this and call it locals only. That's the one thing that stuck with me that Pax said is they didn't call them retail traders. They just called them locals. I thought that was cool.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
Who's winning? I'll tell you who's won. It's Nick.
Yep. Nick won.
What a
Nick
comeback.
won. Yeah. And
I was
what a
down.
job.
1,800 at one point.
Whoa.
You know what Nick's secret was? Never give up.
Never surrender.
Very inspiring.
I'm familiar with Local H. They had one. They're a one-hit wonder band. I forget what that song was called though. That was like in 90s like post grunge era where that was like Bush and all those bands became popular. Local H had a hit then.
Bush is what's good. I like the Bush.
Yep.
Nirvana. Alice in Chains. Some of the best in the 90s.
Yep. Yeah, the 90s were cool.
Back when MTV did like unplugged, acoustic sessions.
I just listened to that. I just listened to the Nirvana Unplugged the other night.
Yeah.
Yep, the whole thing. I was like, man, this was amazing. And like some of it's pretty bad. Like they're not good, but they're very raw. It's really cool.
Right.
I don't know why I went back through that. I was having a little nostalgia for myself, as I will from time to time.
Well, I'm going to let this trade ride into the close and just let the cards fall where they may.
Yeah, me too. It's doing something painful. Dude, the couch is going to be so awesome. I can't wait.
Stowe's already there mentally.
Yeah, I am.
His mind is there.
I'm burnt. I've had 9,000 coffees today, and they're all wearing off. And yeah, I spent all my spoons.
15 minutes left.
It's yeah, you might be surprised, chat, but most of us are introverts, and this is
As AF. Yeah, not even
not even
like
kind of
normal introverts.
Yeah. Extra introversion.
Yeah, and a lot of my friends know that too. And when they hear that this is kind of what I've been doing for the last 2 years,
Oh,
it's
they got to
a
be
weird
confused as
reaction.
hell.
Same. That's why they keep asking me how my podcast is going, because they just can't understand that I would ever be on camera in front of people.
How's that podcast going?
What do you say? He's like, yeah, it's going.
Yeah, it's going awesome. Thank you.
You should listen.
That's probably what I should say.
What you should do is be like, hey, can you give us a review though?
My friends
5
have
stars?
tried to listen, and they're like, I don't know what the hell you're talking about. I don't.
It is.
5 stars, 5-star review.
They just got to click the 5-star.
They're so introverted, we don't even talk to our wives. I don't want to talk after this. She knows it.
Yeah. Tony says Leo looks like he voted for Britney Spears on TRL. I don't know if that's a dig or not.
What?
What a
Did you ever type in
specific
So
comment.
confused.
vote in? I don't know if I ever voted on TRL.
That's like a very
I sure watched it though. 4 o'clock after school.
I'm really confused.
I was watching BET. 106 in Park.
1 second. I gotta get my business stuck up here.
puts business stuck.
Oh, he's got to go get the little from the school bus.
We're back. Anything happened? No.
Nope.
Nope.
Oh, celebrity death match. Forgot all
We're just
about
waiting
that.
for
Oh,
algo
yeah.
time to determine who gets fourth.
Spicy.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, Pimp My Ride was cool. Yep. Oh man.
Oh,
yeah.
Dude, they would put,
Exhibit.
like,
I remember
a
that.
gumball machine.
That was a
in
great
someone's
show.
car.
Yep. That was so sick.
Let's get power 10 minutes to new highs. Let's go, BH.
I like where your head's at, BH.
Yep. You are a person with high
Attention
class, I can
traders.
tell.
It's algo time.
Thanks, Kane.
Thanks, Kane.
Appreciate you chiming in while you're flying over the Atlantic.
Oh.
Bola.
Hmm?
Bulls on the charge.
Nope.
And
Eh.
Oh, we're still in this range, huh?
Yeah, well.
it's in the room.
It's in
Is
the
the
room.
range in the room with us?
Yes.
Oh, look at this guy. The 55 guy dropping
Gamma.
900 lots on somebody's head. He got filled.
He did.
All right, double or nothing then.
I guess.
That was a slow.
Yeah, the
What do you
algo
call it?
is
Is it the double or nothing or the double down?
double or nothing.
Hmm.
But you should double down. Are you both full size right now for this?
Yeah, I
Yes.
can't double. I
The
would.
only way to trade today
Wait.
is full size.
No, I only have 3 on here. I'll put the extra.
Load it up, baby. What you waiting for?
I just did.
All right.
Boo this algo.
We got a lot.
Boo this algo.
Boo. That's great. Good job, Phoenix. That's funny. Boo this man. Boo.
I mean, I gotta give a shout out to Phoenix. Phoenix was the only one believing in me.
Nick,
the
that's
early
not
part
true.
of
I
this morning's
legit
stream.
said you were going to win yesterday.
I said this morning
No, Phoenix.
when I was
Phoenix
in
was
last.
definitely in your corner the entire time. He
Yep.
made it very clear. Phoenix knows how to pick him. He knows how to trade.
Yeah, I think Kane picks me. I think Farm even picks me. morning.
Kane picked you too.
All good traders.
All the good traders. Everyone in the chat's coming out like me too, me too.
Everybody's rushing to change their vote.
It's like when a team wins the championship in any sport, all of a sudden you see their gear everywhere. I've always liked this team. What are you talking about?
Hey, Nick, you better start selling some swag, you know? Some
gotta start selling
Viore, like
swags?
a Viore shirt with Nick on it on the back.
Oh yeah, Nick merch. That'd be cool.
Some Nick
Yeah.
merch.
We
Yeah, look
should
what
figure
Dr.
out.
Steve
starting-
said.
Sunday
Even
prep
pick.
with Nick.
I'll
for
do
a
it. I'll
tick.
actually finish my course, or not my course, my playbook. Maybe do some in real life streams. You know, all the good things that influencers apparently are supposed to do.
Do you would consider yourself an influencer? No.
No.
We influencers?
I'd say
No.
so.
I hope not.
I can't.
I hope I'm
can't.
not
Yeah,
influencing it.
I can't do that.
Sav, I would have the most boring in real life stream of all time.
Prove it.
I'd love to see you in real life stream.
Prove it.
This is me. I'm cooking a brisket, hanging out with my dog.
Basically, be it. I'm porch sitting and
Let's go check
slowly
on.
watching
Let's
this
go
trade
check on
move
the
against
smoker.
Okay, 660. Are you gonna keep getting away with this?
Fucking hope not.
Rambling Joe.
yeah, in real life dad streams. Maybe that's a market we could tap into.
No, that's out of your niche, man. You're a
Well,
trader.
Yeah, but I'm also a dad. Stowe could be like, mowing the lawn because he likes to take care of his.
Oh,
I pay
That's
people
fun.
for that.
Stowe could mow my lawn.
You want me to do that? It's been so. I mean, we haven't had any rain for 1,000 years here. I haven't really had to mow it in a long time.
It doesn't rain much over there.
For God's sake. No, it usually does. We just had like the driest summer of all time.
All right,
Get
double down
this
time.
guy out of here.
Get the fuck out of here.
Who's your beef with?
It's
This right here.
Six-
Mr.
620?
60 on
Here.
this.
time.
660?
Yeah.
Take him out, XY.
At 30 seconds.
I'm still in the short. There's no reason for me to cover this thing. There's absolutely no reason for me to cover this thing.
Yeah, I agree. Okay. 10 seconds.
See you, Oscar. Thanks for hanging out. Hit the like if you haven't.
3, 2, 1.
Equality 1. Thanks for hanging out.
Ah.
Cosmic. See ya. Thanks for
Thanks,
hanging out.
guys. Yeah, I really do appreciate everybody hanging out with us all
Yeah,
day.
for real.
This was fun. I had a
Yeah.
good time. Did you guys have fun?
It was fun.
Except
gotta
for
convince,
the 6:30 guy.
Yes. Also, really not a fan of that guy.
Mhm.
Wait, you said your beef was with the 660?
Well, he's talking.
I'm on ES.
Yes, I'm talking
so
NQ.
it's the same place.
The same play. All of them,
Yes.
all the 630s,
They're both
the 660s.
both rude.
Yeah, it looks like Mr. 6500, number one on the leaderboard, is gonna run away with this.
That's awesome.
Win
$1,000.
$1,000.
Congratulations, buddy. That's crazy work.
How close are the top rankings?
The next closest is
Let's see.
like 800, 700 away, so I don't think they're gonna catch him.
Whoa, yeah.
Dr. Steve, you didn't learn anything today. You know that.
Someone said they learned something.
Yeah, he said, thanks. I learned a lot today. Yeah, me too.
The biggest lesson of today is do not sit in front of your screen and trade all day.
To
Yeah,
be fair, he could have learned what not to do,
that's possible.
which is that's a
is
lot of
true.
learning. That would be
Yeah.
a lot of learning.
Why overtrading can be a bad thing.
You're welcome. Hey, Jude. I appreciate you. Steve Erdman, I agree with you. Nothing is ever going to beat that very first pack show. That was
Dude.
epic. That was so awesome.
What happened?
Just the fun of that. Like, it was so unexpected. It was just like, it was so awesome. And it was such a crazy day, too. Like, we sold off like 300 points.
Oh, you're
off
talking
the
about
open. Yeah.
Friday. Yeah.
Yeah. Do you guys dream about charts? Yeah, definitely. Not on purpose. I wish I didn't, but they're in there. Sometimes I dream that I accidentally have a position on, and I wake up like, ah.
That's the
Yeah.
beauty of never trading Globex is I don't have that problem.
Yep. But yeah, man, work dream.
Stream side, I'm sorry to hear that, man. It'd be like that. You know, sometimes people like
Holly
athletes,
market bets on XY went
when
to
athletes
zero.
start showing their DMs and it's just people like hella mad at them because they didn't cover a spread or hit the over.
Stowe, where you at?
I'm still here.
What's
I'm
your
long.
P&L?
My P&L is, let me see. I'm down
Yeah, someone-
$42.
Oh, damn. Piss.
Yep.
Someone
I'm
hits a
pretty
last
much-
second shot, ruins your entire parlay.
I'm
What's
pretty
yours,
much, like,
XY?
right here.
I am down 1,600
Oh, okay.
for now.
It's
It could
over.
go even higher.
You've locked in.
If the market goes higher, it's going to go higher
You've locked in last place.
for now.
So can we get a Versace robe that says I came in fourth place for XY?
That would be incredible.
If they're willing to make it for me.
Or just get a Temu one and just have it embroidered somewhere.
Is it Temu or Timu? Am I saying this wrong too?
I don't know.
Timu.
Okay. Thank you.
I just say
Temu.
Timu.
I'm starting to worry
Timu.
about all kinds of stuff that I'm saying wrong.
This is where they're going to take out new eyes, aren't they?
Stowe is green.
That was great.
Finally,
Hey,
he
Jim.
finally made it.
He did it.
He did it.
$7,000 of commissions later. Stowe is green.
Easily. I hope these are simulated.
No, they actually reach into your, real money account. They pull them over. Oh my God. Great job though, guys.
Oh, thanks. Thanks, Jim.
Congratulations, Nick. I never lost faith.
Thank you.
What a
Good job.
comeback, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was crazy. That was super fun.
Yeah. What a great day. You guys all did great. And it's just, I know this, and most people know this, but it's hard enough trading like by yourself. But now you're trading in front of the world. Adds a little extra psychological level that you're not used to.
I don't know what you're talking about, Jim.
Yeah.
People are very nice on the
Yeah.
internet.
What do you mean?
A little bit more stress, maybe.
You stressed?
I'm
always
too
stressed.
blessed to be stressed.
And now you're gonna have some swag. It's funny too. Like the one person who probably is the least swaggy is gonna get the swag.
That's probably true.
Man, Jim, you didn't have to say it like that.
Well, I was trying to, that was a nice way to say it.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
You might be able to trade somebody for something. I don't know.
Do you think is this like White Elephant where I could swap it out? Nick, do you want to trade the first class C for the swag bag?
No, I think I'm good.
All right, so let's just do some final stats here. In the competition leaderboard, we have Pen Dubai. Oh, here we go. It's on there for me. Is number one, over $7,000. Congratulations, you did a
That's so
fantastic
sick.
job. Number two, Raphael, $5,342. Nice job. I had a Marie, 5,278. Really close to Raphael. He's just squeezed out a little bit more. Good job, Anne Marie. MJ Cap, 5,100 in fifth place. Mine and I can't. I'm not even going to try to say that. It's a long name. Min Dananen, 5,010 bucks. Great, terrific job. I mean, we're talking limited. You know, you don't have that many bullets in your gun, right? You've got five micros and 5 micros, and that's quite an achievement for you guys on the leaderboard.
Yeah, honestly, it's amazing.
Yeah.
They doubled their accounts and
Yeah.
some.
Yes. Good point. Good job. And then, of course, Nick, Stowe, Leo, XYZ, you guys were awesome as usual. This was one of the best streams of, I don't know, I could remember. It was great. Participation in the crowd was great. You guys were knowledgeable and entertaining at the same time.
Damn, good job, Nick. Good job.
I
Yeah.
know, what a
Buddy.
comeback.
That's so
I
cool.
refuse to say good job, but well done.
Leo will be taking the role of sore loser for the
I'm gonna
remainder.
just give Leo one of these to close us out here.
Yeah,
Gladly.
you could do it. Oh, by the way, before you do that, hang on. Don't close anything out.
Just a thumbs up for you.
Yes. Thank you for the thumbs up, everybody. Thank you for the subscriptions. We saw a couple fly through the chat. We really appreciate that. We're getting close to that 150K. We're going to do it. Thank you for that. Thank you for sharing on social. Thank you for being part of the community. You guys are making this the best trading community that there is. End of story. No matter what asset class other people are trading, this one's the best. Thank you, Stowe, XYZ, Leo, Nick4ATick. You guys went way above board today. Appreciate your participation and your everything you did today.
Thanks, brother.
Thanks for having us.
Thanks, Jim.
See you guys.
See ya.
All right. Well, we're going to finish strong tomorrow, and Uncle Pax is going to be back tomorrow morning, along with me, Shy, Craig Shapiro, maybe the Fib Princess. We're still waiting on a thumbs up on the Fib Princess, and then Trading the Open, I do believe, is XYZ. You're going to wake up early again.
Uh-huh. I'm not gonna be able to sleep. There won't be any sleep for me.
XYZ's like, I haven't slept for 72 hours.
The trading may or may not look different tomorrow.
You're going to be with Chris, I think, tomorrow, too.
Yeah, tune in and find out.
Yeah, we're finishing strong on Friday. There'll be a lot of stuff to talk about, a lot of stuff to do. We hit it hard in the morning. So until then, and again, guys, thank you very much. Until then, the most important message of the day for sure, be safe out there. Be good to each other. We'll see you soon.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks.
See you guys.
Thanks, everybody.